Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of Welcome to University the series, and for today we'll be creating presentation slides using PowerPoint.
First, go to Google and search for SLIDESGO and tap what comes up first. On SLIDESGO, type in what theme you want your template to be. Since I'm making my slides based on the poster, I'll type something related to health or healthy lifestyle. SLIDESGO will give you a few options of presentation slides templates for you to pick from. If you see these colors dot on the templates, it means that the template comes in other colors too. I have decided to go with this one. Tap on the arrow icon to download and choose which app you want to use. Once it is done, you may tap on the download icon on your tab here on the upper right of your screen. From here, it will automatically open up the app together with the template you have previously chosen. There are all types of design within the design you have chosen. There are also icons on the blue slides for you to use if you want. I'm going ahead by deleting all of the things on this slide that I won't be using to make my first slide appear more spacious. I am replacing the photo that comes with the template to one that suits my topic. Since we are talking about health and being healthy makes you happy, I'm going with this picture. You can adjust your photo to fit properly onto your slides by moving the image to the back, cropping it and moving it around. Let's move on to editing our title. Tap on the text box and key in your title. Once that is done, tap Enter on your laptop. Just like before, make all the adjustments that you need. You can also add your university logo to spice it up a bit. This way, when other people see your slides, they will know which university you came from. To do so, tap on Insert on the top of your screen and tap Pictures. To type something, you must have a text box. Go back to Insert and tap on Text box. Now you can proceed like normal. Drag the cursor out by left-clicking your mouse and dragging it out, or do the same on your mouse pad on your laptop. Make sure to add who you've prepared the slides for and add who prepared this slide. If it's individual work, put in your name. If it's group work, put all of your group mates' name. Make sure to add in your student ID. This will make the marking process smoother for your lecturer. Our first slide is complete. Here I am deleting the slides that I won't be using. It is better to have a table of contents slide as it makes your presentation organized and easy to keep track of. In the poster we have previously made on Canva have 4 activities. Those 4 activities will be divided into each topic. When it comes to presentation slides, you do not want it to be too wordy because you will be the one to elaborate and explain everything that is stated on your slides in full detail. You can either put your details into a paragraph or into points. I have decided to do points on this slide since the details will be too long if I put it into a paragraph. You'd want people to focus on your presentation, so this will keep their attention span longer. Let's get it right and do our introduction slide. For introduction, you can either do an introduction slide of your topic or do like mine, which is an introduction of the presenter. By putting my student picture and information, I am making the marking process easier for my lecturer. This can also be used as a slot for the presenters to introduce themselves after they give their greetings. For the 5th slide, we'll be doing the same thing for the pictures just like we did for our first slide. Delete the picture that came with the template, press Insert on the top left side of your screen and tap on Pictures. Make sure to pick this device after you tap on Pictures. Select the picture you want to use and do all the adjustments that you need. To delete any of the items that you don't want in your slides, click on the item and choose Cut or Clear on your keyboard. Like we've done before, click on Insert on the top left of your tab and click on Text box on the right side of your screen. I move my sentences to the side by tapping on those lines under the paragraph category on the top of your screen. I change my paragraph into points by tapping on the points icon in the paragraph category. Make it not stuck together like a club. After each sentence, press Enter on your keyboard. Change the way your text is being displayed by dragging those little white circles on the square. If the slides that are already displayed on the left side of your screen seems to not meet your standards because it looks stuffed or packed with images and font, tap on Home that is next to Insert and click on New Slide. Notice the difference between these two slides. One has lines inside the box while the other doesn't. If you want your work to return to its previous form before you change it, just tap on the Undo button. My previous slides are all in point forms. I've decided to make the details in the slides to be in paragraph. After you choose your image, you will see these images on the panel. Because we have an introduction slide, it is only appropriate that we have a conclusion slide. Instead of separating it into different slides, I have decided to merge these two topics into one category. For conclusion, it is nice to start your sentence with "in conclusion" because this will act as a discourse marker for your audience that your presentation is near the end. Because my previous slides are already compact, my conclusion will be very short. For reference, you would want to copy and paste all of the articles media you have visited throughout your whole research. Decide here whether you want to directly copy and paste the link as it is or do citation. Put this in numerical or alphabetical order. To save your slides, go to the search bar on the top right of your screen and search Save As. Set all your download settings. This includes which folder or category you want your slides to be in and renaming your file. When everything is all set, click Save on the little window on the left side of your screen. That white line on the bottom of the screen is your download progress.
That's all for today's videos. Good luck, thank you for watching, and bye everyone!